during the conflict on social media, and you posted. I think that was so brave of you. We were so proud of you. So where do you see as yourself in the future when it comes to Bollywood? Because they've been boycotting us. So what do you think should be the direction of our Pakistani celebrities?
I think we need to focus inwards.
Right.
I think we need to focus in our own industries and not a person who believes in cancel culture. And I'm talking broadly.
Right.
I do not believe in boycotts and bans and stuff. I don't believe in that.
Yeah,
of course, situation is such that and you feel very emotional because you're very attached to your country and aapka mulk hai. So, but beyond that, I think instead of using such strong stances, and you can, that's your prerogative, I think for us, I think it's important that we invest in us. Let's start investing in us. So that